I look a little weird right now, but that's because my cousin sent me this massive package from Japan and I just opened it. Um, so that's where this came from. That's where these brown wrist cuffs came from, and this came from. And let me just show you this. Look, so we got this bag. We have this entire stack of tights. We got a cat. That's my new cat, by the way. No one, I think, here has seen her yet. We have three blouses, a pair of bloomers, a ton of snacks. We have three headdresses, and then we have this entire pile of main pieces. And we have one lonely wrist cuff that's missing the other half. But we have like this OP, this JSK, that's a blouse. We have a skirt, a JSK, and an OP that fell over the pile. But this is so much. Oh, and aprons. There's like a ton of really cute aprons in there, and I got like this shawl in there. I'm just I think I bought three pieces off of my cousin, and they were like, no, take more. I'm so excited.